share with you a mindfulness exercise. I call this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's 5 things that you can see. So the things I can see at the minute are the grasses just blowing around in the wind. A bit further out I can see some white of the cotton grass. Further around the horizon, I don't think you'll be able to see it actually, but I can see a white gate clearly standing out on the horizon. And also I can see the bright green of bracken sprouting through the heather and growing. I can also see these craggy rocks I'm sat on, which are quite interesting shapes and unusual texture. 4 things that I can hear. I can hear the hum of a distant plane that's just gone over. I can hear voices further down the path. I can hear the wind in my ears, and I can hear some flies buzzing around. 3 things I can feel. I can feel the warmth of the sunshine on my skin, and it is very warm actually, it's very nice. I can feel it contrasting with the coolness of the breeze. The other thing I can feel is the slight discomfort of this rocky outcrop that I'm sat on actually. Then 2 things that I can smell. I can smell the sun cream on my arms, and I don't know, maybe sort of a piney sort of smell, maybe it's the peat that I can smell. And one thing that I can taste is chocolate biscuit, which is what I've just eaten before I left my van. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's a really useful exercise to break any particular thought patterns or just bring you into the moment. You take notice of your surroundings. A really useful little exercise. Literally just takes a couple of minutes.